This home is offered at $440,000. 20503 Highland Lake Drive sits on 0.22 acres and is 2,333 square feet. When you enter in the front door, there's a large hallway, and then the house just opens up for great entertaining and relaxing space. The blue carpet is dated, but there are built-ins, a stone fireplace, and no popcorn ceilings. The bones are so amazing in this home. Let's step outside and I'll show you the incredible views that Lago Vista has. We're looking at the Lago Vista golf course right now, but as we work our way to the right-hand side of the deck, we can see where you'll see Lake Travis when the lake is up. You have wildlife like deer, see that little guy down there, and then the Frisbee golf course behind. One of the biggest bangs for your buck when you renovate a home is the kitchen, and this one is ready to go. It's humongous, which is awesome. It's got some updated granite countertop, but these fur downs there are super easy to take out and will open up the space. There's great lighting and built-in oven and microwave, also a little desk area with a bay window for eating. The garage is extra spacious. It's a full 3-car garage, but it also has a golf cart garage door to lead you straight to the golf course. Plenty of room for stand-up refrigerators or deep freezers. And then when you come inside to the utility room, it's a large room for the washer and dryer. It has a sink in there, but it also has a great little half bath. And yes, those are cats on the wallpaper. The master bedroom is located off of the kitchen, and it is humongous. It also has a small room off to the side, which would be great for an additional closet, maybe a walk-in closet. It was used as an office, but could be a baby's room or an updated office. It has a door to the outside patio, and then a his and her closet as you go through the hallway, which gives a great sound barrier to anyone getting ready in the morning or taking a bath at night. And you can see the large bathroom with a skylight and lots of mirrors around. 2 vanities, a walk-in shower, and then they have a handicap tub that can be removed. On the secondary side of the home, you've got a hallway separating 2 bedrooms with this one large bathroom, and it also has built-ins behind that door. The back secondary bedroom has a double door that leads to the back patio and has some very good views, especially of the lake when the lake is up. And the front secondary bedroom is large as well, with beautiful lighting and lots of windows. The Emily Diekman Real Estate Team, selling the most on North Lake Travis.